Hi, I'm Joe Ronzino from Long Island, along with Joel Connor from Chris Cashin's organization. We're here to present the Outstanding Installation Leadership Award. The award is presented to the individual who has developed a culture of exceptional homeowner satisfaction throughout his or her installation and operation teams, has intimate product and installation expertise, and has worked closely with corporate office to solve intricate installation situations for the entire network.
The nominees for the Outstanding Installation Leadership Award are Mike Young, New Jersey, New York Metro. You do this till you cooperate. Brian Dennison, Southern New England. Dave Bancroft, Denver, Colorado Springs. And Jamie Fiel, Philadelphia. Maybe I should have read it. Jamie Fiel from RBF, Philadelphia.
I'd just like to say that this will go in the trophy case for all of Philadelphia. This isn't just my award, but it's everybody in Philly. Mike Watson has deemed us as the Philly family, so I feel the family really is what won this award. I would like to thank just a few people. Bill Allen, who's not here tonight, sales manager in Philadelphia, is awesome, awesome guy. The best general manager ever, Kristen Gardner. And obviously, John Essler and Mike Watson, you guys rock. Thank you very much.